Hello, my name is Daniel Goff. I'm a student at Full Sail. I'm making this video to count as my response for the 1.2 journal response in the English composition class. Before I answer, I just wanted to say that I am actually really happy to be doing this assignment because a lot has happened in my life recently, especially in the past 2 or 3 weeks. It's made things pretty tough. And I definitely faltered in school the last couple weeks, and I'm kind of happy that I'm going to be focusing on that actually because it's going to help me get over it. The first question is consider courses you've taken before. It could be English comp or a different class. What challenges did you face? Include internal challenges such as time management issues, etc. Well, the last class that I took was audio arts and entertainment and media, I think is what it was, how you pronounced it. The week before and during spring break week, I got a bad stomach flu, and I had to work and also had a show to do with my band, and I fell a little behind that week, and then it turned into me missing an assignment, and then I didn't manage my time well. The sickness didn't really help, and then having to work on top of it didn't help me either. And then the very next week after break, so course 4 of audio arts and entertainment, or week 4 I should say, my grandfather passed away, and having to work on top of that, it made things very difficult. So I faltered again, and I definitely feel I could have managed my time a bit better. So, but it's hard when somebody you're related to, especially your grandfather, passes away. I really couldn't. There was a tough time for my family, and I just couldn't bring myself to focus on a lot of things. So when I woke up this morning from an email from our professor here, I was happy to hear, because I need to get my head back in the game. The second question is, what strengths do you already have that you can use to overcome internal and external challenges this term? In answering, consider what areas you will especially work on to help you pass the course. What will you use as a cue to yourself that you need to seek help from your instructor on the Writing Center? Well, one of the things I definitely need to work on and try to get a better handle on is time management. I work Sunday, Mondays, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, so I only have Tuesday and Saturdays off. And when I do work, I'm usually there from about 2 till 10 at night, and I'm supposed to be 2 to 8, but my job is one of those really special places where anything can happen. So I've been forced to work late a lot, and on top of being sick and everything, I got behind. And I think definitely a cue that I need to seek help and seek out advice would be definitely missing an assignment. And that's why I'm making this video, because I'm dead set on not missing another day in this assignment. Some of my strengths, I feel that I learn very quickly, and I have a tendency to, it's maybe to my detriment sometimes, but sometimes I can take an idea from inception to fruition very quickly without much middle ground work, and I've always been proud of that. So I learn and I retain information very well, and I definitely plan on using that skill. External challenges, I need to, in my head, make this my priority. I want to have this degree more than anything, and I got comfortable the last couple of weeks, and I don't plan on doing that again. So I'm going to start making a weekly schedule again like I did in the other class, and I'm going to go from there. And I definitely want to get on top of these things, and I want to be proud of my experience with Full Sail, not stressed out by it. So I really appreciate it, and I hope this response was good enough, and thank you very much.